We're here at Capitol Reef National Park this morning, giving the Navajo Knobs Trail a try. It's supposed to be some great scenery, an overlook part of the trail, so should be some great views. Sort of hard to see down there, but if you do the Hickman Bridge, that is where you're going to be headed. A bunch of people down there, but you can't really see them right now. So 1.5 in. So far the views do not disappoint. Made it 3 miles in. So cool how the rock formations are so uneven. So we got 1.5 miles left. Take some shots at the top. Alright, so getting our first view of the Navajo Knobs. We're 4.5 miles in. So per usual, All Trails is just a little bit off. Looks like we got about another 0.5 mile to go to get up top. So yeah, plan on about 10 miles. Lots of water. We lucked out today with the wind. It wasn't too hot, but be well prepared. And have some views at the top in a minute here. All right, now on our way up notch, you can see Lee up there. Made it up. This hike, I can already tell you, is well worth the trip. Like just panoramic the entire time. It's worth the 10 miles. Awesome, beautiful. You won't be sorry that you head up this way. Back down from the Knobs. It took us about maybe a little under 2 hours to 2 hours to get up top. We're moving pretty fast on the way up though. But the great part about this hike is on the way down, you have this view the entire way. Alright, so we just finished up Navajo Knobs. Had this mapped out at about 9.7 total start to finish. We didn't stop much, so it took us about 3.5 hours, but you can't go wrong with this hike. Highly recommend it, and thanks for checking in.